Welcome to SA Money Mentor. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by investing terms, you're not alone. Today, we're keeping it simple and practical. 500 Rand in South Africa. It's not quite retire early money, but it's definitely stop eating instant noodles every night money. And you know what's funnier than thinking you need thousands to start investing? Realizing you don't. Today, I'm showing you how to start investing in South Africa with just 500 Rand. That's right. Yeah, 500 Rand. Not 5,000 Rand, not 50,000 Rand. Calm down. We're not Jeff Bezos. Let's go. Why you should invest. Okay, listen. Keeping money in a normal savings account is cute, but inflation in South Africa is like a hungry lion. It will eat your money. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. So instead of your money chilling, it actually starts working. Over time, your money becomes your employee. Let's call him Employee R. 500 second best places to start in SA. There are many ways to invest in SA, but the easiest for beginners is 1. Easy equities, super cheap, super simple. 2. Satrix ETFs, safe, long-term. 3. FNB Share Builder, if you bank with FNB. But to keep it simple, we're going with easy equities plus ETFs because it's affordable and won't give you a headache. So what you should invest in now. Please, don't start by buying random stocks like, ooh, this company looks nice. That's how people lose money. We don't want that. The best beginner option equals ETFs. ETFs are basically a basket of many companies. If one company does badly, the others still help you. It's like going to a party with 40 friends. Even if one acts weird, the rest are still normal. Here are the top ones. First is Satrix Top 40, STX 40, invests in 40 top SA companies. Second is Satrix S&P 500, STX 500, invests in America's biggest companies. And last is Satrix MSCI World, STX WDM, invests in big companies worldwide. These are long-term, simple, and smart. How to start with R500. All right, the simple steps. You can do this in 10 minutes. Step 1. Create an easy equities account. Download the app. Sign up. Verify your ID. Choose the ZAR, South African Rand, account. No stress, easy. Step 2. Deposit your 500 Rand in EFT or card. Your 500 Rand goes no minimum amount. Employee 500 enters the chat. Step 3. Buy an ETF. Search for Satrix Top 40 or Satrix S&P 500. Click Buy. Choose how much. Even 50 Rand works. Confirm purchase. Boom. You're officially an investor. Welcome to adulthood. Now how your 500 Rand can grow. Let's say you invest 500 Rand every month. Nothing crazy. Over time you could grow. 1 year, around 6,600 Rand 5 years. Around 38,000 Rand 10 years. Over 100,000 Rand 20 years. Around 350,000 Rand plus. That's the power of compound interest. It's like your money doing gym, getting stronger every year. Rookie mistakes to avoid. Please don't do these things. Don't panic when markets drop. Don't withdraw every time you want KFC. Don't jump between investments. Don't listen to hype videos. Buy this stock now or you'll miss out. Relax. Investing is not a sprint. It's a slow jog with water breaks. So remember, start small, stay consistent. Even 100 Rand is better than 0. Investing is about patience, not magic tricks. Thank you for being here on day 1. Seriously, this channel literally wouldn't exist without you watching right now. If what you learned today felt different, if it felt practical and actually doable, I need you to do 2 things. First, click subscribe. Not for me, but for you. Because next Wednesday, I'm revealing a tax loophole that could put 2,000 Rand back in your pocket legally, and you deserve to know about it. Second, I need to hear from you. Comment below with just 1 word, started, if you're going to take action on today's video, or confused if you have questions. I'll personally reply to every single comment for the next 48 hours. Here's my promise to you. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m., I'll be here with another piece of your financial puzzle solved. No jargon, just clarity. Welcome to the SA Money Mentor family. Let's build your wealth together. See you in the comments. Bye.